Good morning! Ang aga ko nagising, 6 a.m. pa lang. 7 a.m. kasi usually yung gising namin. 9 a.m. kasi yung aming pasok sa office. Init na kasi sa labas. Breakfast, cooking ng egg with fresh milk po yan. Isa pala yung egg na with fresh milk. Kain tayo!